bedtime right now, but we want to see you in the morning.
I don't know why Ava put pillows up here because she said that what about there's like something like there's a spider.
Okay, well, okay, let's turn the lights up. Lights off. Good night, Colette.
Good night.
Guys, we'll see you in the morning. Oh, guys, it's morning. All the sunlight is here. Look at all the sunlight. What? What is going on right now? Who are you? Well, actually, what's Colette's? Okay, you turn into like a human cat, but like you just have like cat ears on. Like you're a cat, basically. That's what I'm saying. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna name this video "Morning Routine" with my cat. The cat right there. Okay, well, you can obviously see it's morning, so we should probably get breakfast. We'll see you after. Guys, we just got back from breakfast, right? So, I don't know what's going on, but suddenly Colette is a cat. Oh, why are you looking at me? What? Oh my God. This is a crazy kitten right here. Okay, do you want to go to bed? After all the time. I don't know. What? Okay. Well, I don't know much about taking care of a cat because I used to have a cat and then all my cat did was just all I didn't even do was watch it feed. So like